Thank you very much, our whip, Governor Sang. Your Excellency, Honorable William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the Honorable Amason Kingi, Speaker of the Senate, Excellency Governors and Deputy Governors, Cabinet Secretaries, Honorable Members of the Senate and National Assembly, representatives of national commissions and independent offices, leaders of Homabay County and the Greater Nyanza region, ambassadors and high commissioners, principal secretaries, county assemblies, all national government and county government representatives, private sector and representatives and development partners, international delegates, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the entire 2025 Devolution Conference Steering Committee, I take this opportunity to welcome Your Excellency, President William Ruto, to the 9th Devolution Conference and the 2nd Biannual Conference. I also take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to my fellow governors who are present with their deputies and respective counties. Your immense support to make Devolution Conference 2025 a reality is appreciated. To all the national executive representing this conference, your presence in Homabay County is proof that Kenya's devolved system of governance is consultation, cooperation, collaboration, and coordination. I know that the legislature at both levels of government is here too. Your voices in the anticipated discussions will be crucial, since for us to entrench equity, inclusion, and social justice, the power must be distributed to the lowest levels and reach the most vulnerable of populations. Your Excellency, this year, the participation of the civil society organizations has been much more than previous conferences. This was deliberate. This event can begin to be more inclusive. I am confident that this year many diverse voices will be heard and that our will capture varied resolutions and bring more institutions at the implementation table. At this time, allow me, Your Excellency, to recognize the team that led the preparations of this year's conference. Kindly, when I mention your name, wherever you are, just stand, and I will ask the auditorium to clap for you. The esteemed steering committee was chaired by myself, and its membership comprised of Governor Gladys Wanga, Senator Catherine Muma, thank you, Senator Beatrice Ogola, the Principal Mr. Michael Enasalon, the Honorable Chege Mwaura, Secretary General of the County Assemblies Forum, Ms. Gloria Wawera, Chief Executive Officer of the National Council, Youth Council, and Mr. Tom Were of ACT. Allow me to also recognize the Chair of the Planning Committee, Ms. Mary Muiti, the CEO of COG, and I convey immense gratitude to the institutions who participated in preparations. Asanteni sana, and like they say here, erokamano. Your Excellency, it will be, I don't mention that the conference was planned, executed fully by our indomitable staff at the Council of Governors, and I appreciate all. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to deliver this progress report on behalf of governors regarding the implementation of the communique adopted at the first biannual devolution conference held between the 15th to the 19th August 3 in Uasin Gishu County under the theme 10 years of devolution, the present and the future. I will highlight just in implementation of the 2023 resolutions. First is the coordination in project and program implementation. Your Excellency of the Deputy President is working with ministries, departments, and agencies to synchronize the interventions of different government entities to eliminate duplication and enhance efficiency. The Presidential Economic Transformation Secretariat, the PETS, has undertaken a comprehensive review across all sectors to align them with national priorities. The synchronization and identification of these projects to the ward level has great silos and enhanced coordination. Automation and digitalization of services was the second one. and county governments have automated services in Murang'a, Kisumu, Makwiny and counties have fully automated their services, while other counties have partially done. The e-citizen has brought together over 16,000 government services, and this comprehensive integrates services from more than 100 ministries, counties, departments, streamlining access for citizens and residents across Kenya. The third one was own source revenue. Collected Kenya shillings 58.95 billion in the financial year 2023-24, which is 72.5% of their target, the highest revenue performance in 11 years. 10 counties surpassed their OSR targets financial year 2023-24. All the 47 counties are currently automating their revenue systems to enhance transparency, leakages in revenue collection. On number 5, which is transfer of county functions, the unbundled functions were gazetted notice number 219 dated 16th December 2024. What remains pending is the costing process, which will pave way for adequate resourcing of county functions. On legislation of land and bridging the gender gap in land ownership, the National Land Information System, dubbed Adisasa, was successfully rolled out in Nairobi County, Mombasa Island and Mombasa County, and some parts of Murang'a County. Governments have also established land information management systems like Kajiado, Makwiny and Murang'a counties. The Adhi Haki Mob app in Taita County and the mobile-based reporting tool in Kakamega County are some of the innovative interventions implemented within the 2-year period to get real-time data on women's land tenure issues. Kakamega, Busia and Mombasa counties, in partnership with Athi kwa Kina Mama, AKMA project led by We Effect, implemented a project aimed at women's access to land rights by establishing safe spaces for grassroots land rights defense reporting period. And the other one is strengthening primary health care and community health services. 227 primary care networks are of, and the National Treasury has included the community health promoter stipends in the additional allocations to county governments from national government's share revenue in the financial year 2024-25. The Cabinet Directive of 21st January mergers of health programs to avoid duplication, and we thank you, Your Excellency. We are creating a conducive environment for the out business. The government has developed the Creative Economic Support Bill 2024 and is currently at the participation stage. Further, to boost local talent and earning, Nairobi County has initiated programs to support artists and content creators, providing affordable access to public spaces for performance and exhibitions. This includes subsidized fees and streamlined permit process. Street photography and street dancing are now permitted. Mombasa County, on the other hand, has several care hubs, including the Mombasa Innovation Hub, Swahili Port Hub, Jukwa Arts, among others. On forestry and tree growing, the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry has undertaken mapping of both tree and forest cover in the country to inform the tree growing targets of achieving 30% by 2032. Ladies and gentlemen, I applaud all stakeholders and partners who facilitated the full implementation of the 2023 communique. Any ongoing efforts must be concluded. The full matrix containing the status of all the 2023 solutions can be accessed at the Marifa Center, the Knowledge Hub for COG. To maintain momentum, we must strengthen intergovernmental to fast-track pending legislation. Resource allocation. There is also need to deepen engagement with the private sector to bridge gaps. Number 20, let us recommit to this collective endeavor, ensuring that the resolutions of the devolution 2025 will continue to build on the progress we have witnessed and spurs to greater heights in championing devolution. I wish all of the delegates a wonderful time at this conference. Thank you very much.
Let's appreciate our man of the steering committee.